eyebrow over her eye, but it's not quite as defined as you would see with a hawk or an eagle. Okay? But if you look, it looks like she's got, like her mascara ran, like she put on some makeup and it ran. And it looks like it ran right underneath of her eye. See, it kind of goes drooping down there. Okay? It's harder to see on the Merlin, but like your peregrine falcon, they have that big black line under the eye. A kestrel, which is a small falcon, is going to have one on each side of the eye. These will hunt together, so they might have a male and female that will hunt together. And they'll see a flock of little birds. The one will fly right into that flock of birds, and then the other one, they'll pick out the weakest one, and it will just fly and chase that bird straight up until it can't fly. The owls, the ears are usually at the end of the facial disc. And if you were able to pull back the feathers a little bit and look through the ear, you know what you'd see? The back of the eye. Their eyes are huge. Their eyes are huge. Opportunistic hunter, but they would eat snakes. There's times we've seen one in life carrying a snake. Bull snake.
She doesn't miss anything.
Yep, they'll eat that. So, yeah. Ready? Okay.